Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Say hi.
Hi.
Whoa. You gotta sit. Alright, so we are going to talk about, we had my first ultrasound today at almost 10.5 weeks, right?
Well, it's your first ultrasound that we could see the baby.
Yeah, we saw the baby.
He or she was moving around.
We saw the baby, yeah, he or she yet, because we don't know. And
Most likely a girl.
this Sunday I'll be 11 weeks. And the baby's heart rate was 178. And we saw their little feet and the little hands moving. I said, wow, it's that big already. And I had the worst experience at first with my first ultrasound. I forgot how hard it is to try to hold in your pee. I cried at first because I thought I was going to pee my pants. And this kid was laughing. Guys don't have to go through anything.
I poured a couple glasses of water while she said she had to go pee bad.
Yeah, that's when
she
I
got
started
mad.
crying. That's when I started crying because he was pouring a glass of water. And they took me in right away. And then they gave me these 2 ultrasound photos. Want to show them?
Yeah.
They'll be at the end of this video. Plus, the end of this video, he recorded a little bit of while we were in there. And sorry, that's my son's machine.
There's
Can
a
you
good
see
look
it?
at it. Yeah. It's a good look.
Can you show it like one by one?
Alright, here's pick number 1. Pick number 2.
And these will be at the end of the video, after the video of what he recorded of when I was going through the ultrasound. Why do you always have to be rude and talk?
He always talks most when we're recording or we're on the phone.
So hard to make videos when he is talking and being interrupting. But we should have another ultrasound soon. I've been feeling tired. I'm moody. I'm grumpy.
That's stomach.
What?
Your tummy's starting to stick out.
Yeah, my tummy is starting to stick out. I pee a lot. A lot. I eat. I've been getting headaches, and I think they're turning into migraines because they've been coming really bad, and they hurt to where I'm like this in my head. But yeah, moody is one of the biggest things. How I could be a little rude sometimes and get aggravated so quickly about certain stuff. And I have been crying here and there, but not as much crying. I think it's more moody. And I've been craving some sweets and some salty stuff, like going back and forth, but I think it's more towards the sweets. I'm eating some ice cream. I tried eating like SpaghettiOs and stuff. I think whenever I try to eat something with sauce, it hurts my stomach. Remember when I had that meatball sub?
Yeah. And I got her Wendy's after the appointment too, and she enjoyed that.
Yeah. Oh, if you've ever been to Wendy's, get the chicken tenders. Even though it comes with 2 in the kids meal, they're the best chicken tenders that I've ever got at any fast food restaurant.
Yeah, Wendy started doing chicken tenders again. The 3-piece for the adult meal is actually like way more than the kids meal. So you can get the kids meal and it's like way cheaper. So that's why I get the kids meal for her.
Yeah, and I'm sorry if the ultrasound video is a little dark. My brightness wasn't all the way up. So next time with our ultrasound, he'll record more and the brightness will be up a little more so you guys can see me better. But yeah, what are your thoughts of how I've been acting and stuff?
Definitely hormonal, and that's all I gotta say about that.
What do you think I've been eating? Sweets or salty stuff? I think I've been back and forth.
You've always eaten salt, so it's hard to tell. But I know you've been eating more sweet stuff than you did with Ezra.
Yeah, and when I was like 6 or 7 weeks pregnant, I was like in the beginning I was feeling a lot of nauseous, and I almost thought I was gonna puke sometimes, but there's these 3 times where I thought I was gonna puke, and never puked yet. But I still feel like I have to force myself for certain stuff to eat, even when I don't want to eat it. Oh my god. But anyway, I'm going to update with you guys with my belly and what it looks like, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll keep updating you guys on our experience with this pregnancy, because I wish I recorded with him and had a YouTube channel for when I was pregnant with him, but that's okay.
Bye!
We'll see you guys next time. Yeah, mommy's car.
Yeah. Sky gets it.
Want to see the baby? Ezra, do you see the baby?
See the baby? Yeah?
See the baby?
See, yeah, it's pregnant. It's cute. Is it cute? See you sitting and rolling around partying? The baby's partying inside mommy.
I won't have to do the vaginal here far enough along where I can see everything, okay?
So I can go pee after this?
Yeah.
I don't know.